Hey everyone, Jacob Durham here, co-founder and CEO at Nomatic, and I am so excited for you guys to have the first look at our new luggage, the Nomatic Method luggage. We've been working on this for about 2 years, and there are so many awesome parts to talk through. It's coming in 2 different sizes, check-in and carry-on in 4 different colors, moss, black, navy, and gray. This luggage has been optimized from the wheels up to really make it just an incredible piece of luggage for travel. So I'm gonna go through and talk about the carry-on size in particular. The check-in size is actually the same exact luggage, just bigger. So all the features I talked about here exist here. Okay, so starting on the outside, it's a polycarbonate shell. It's the strongest material you can get in luggage. We have customizable locking zippers, a 3-stage aluminum trolley handle. Feels great. And the wheels are custom Nomatic silent glide wheels that you can't even hear them, and they're so smooth and glide so well. This thing will carry so much. Because of how we've developed it, we developed it to do 3 things really well: to be extremely lightweight, very durable, and have more capacity than any other luggage in its class. On the wheels and on the insides, I'll show you in a second, we've taken out all the nuts and bolts. Also, it's decreased the weight, and we're not piercing the shell to attach the wheels, so it's not gonna split along the wheels. Another thing for capacity is it has an expansion. So this will actually expand up to 2 inches, giving you tons of extra space when you need to pack just a bit more. So going on to the inside, because we've removed all the nuts and bolts and designed it in a way that you don't need them, the interior is actually just a polycarbonate lined luggage that doesn't have a typical lining. So you don't have that liner that's getting in the way and trampolining across this so it can hold more space. Also, the nuts and bolts aren't there. So again, it's lighter weight and more capacity. And what we've done is we've micro-welded the wheels onto the shell. We've tried our best to try to pull those off. They just aren't coming off. It is so durable and strong the way we've done this. Also, because there's no liner, if you spill anything inside of this, you can wipe it off and it comes clean. This is the compression panel. So this can slide over. You pack your clothes in, then you set this on top of it, pull this across, and then you tighten this down and it compresses all your clothes in here. Over on this side, you have a mesh dividing wall with 2 pockets. In here is a hidden tracker pocket, so you can put a Apple AirTag in here, or you can put a tile, things like that. So if you lose your luggage, you can always find it. And also it's in a hidden pocket, so that if anyone steals your luggage, they can't find that AirTag easily and know to take that out. Inside here, again, more space. So as you can see, this luggage has been optimized from the wheels up. It is so effective on how much it can hold. So excited for you guys to be the first to check it out. You guys are gonna love it. Thanks so much.